Welcome to Basics and Advanced Excel Unit 2.
In the unit 2, we are going to cover four important things, that is how to reduce the Excel file size, how to set default file type to reduce file size. Third one, four different ways to open sheets in Excel. The fourth one, default settings to open multiple sheets in Excel. So don't miss this important tricks. So let's start how to reduce the Excel file size. Let's see demo. This is custom format cells. You can see it is 27.9 MB. Now, the same Excel sheet we will reduce the size. How we will do? Open the Excel sheet. This we go to File, Save As. In the same desktop we will save. Instead of Excel workbook, we reduce it to binary work. Now save. This is saved. Now close this. This is the binary file and this is XLSX. This you can see 27.9 MB and the same data which is saved in Excel binary worksheet, it is just 6.32 MB. This way you can reduce the file size. Now let's see how to set the default file type to reduce the file size. Open Excel sheet, new sheet, go to File, Options. In the option, click on Save. Here you can see save files in this format. Normally by default it will save in Excel workbook. Instead of that, change it to Excel binary workbook and click on OK. Now if we save this file, we open once again, just Excel, File, save this file on desktop. Now you can see it is going to save in Excel binary workbook. This way you can make it default the file size format. Four different ways to open sheets in Excel. Let's see the demo part. This is the Excel sheet. We open this. Now we need to add sheets here. I will show you four different ways. First way, on the sheet, right click, insert worksheet, click on OK. This is the first trick. Second one, click on plus symbol. This way you can add multiple sheets. Third one, shortcut key, Shift plus F11. If you press Shift F11, now you can see the sheets are adding. Now the scenario is your boss comes and tells, open 100 sheets like this way. What you will do? You are going to use like this way 3 tricks? No need to use. We use the important trick. Go to File, Options, click on General. Here you can see include this many sheets. Now here I'll add 100 and click OK. Right? Now we close the sheet. We just open any new Excel sheet. You can see it is going to add 100 sheets for you. Right? This way you can add it any number of sheets, but in the option settings, general, include this many sheet, you can add maximum 255 only. You can add maximum 255 sheets you can add. Click on OK. Now we will see the default settings to open multiple sheets in Excel. This is I already covered in the previous point. Let's see the demo. Right? We open new sheet. Normally we open, it will come only with single sheet. But every day we are coming and opening the Excel sheet, we need minimum 10 sheets. So in that case, go to File, click on Options, General, include this many sheets you will add. Instead of 1 you put 10 and click OK. Now whenever you open any sheets, you will get by default 10 sheets for you. This way you can use default settings. In the unit 2, we have covered 4 different things. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support. Thank you.